In today's video, we are doing a hot potato sort of challenge. Getting ready for Thanksgiving. I'm going to do a hot potato. We're going to flip this and get started. Watch out, Tika. Oh, there we go. So we are doing a hot potato challenge. What to do if you would rather not have yams this Thanksgiving and need to substitute with potatoes. So join me today in our potato challenge. Aha, it is what it is. Woo! So today's recipe is a modification from a Canadian Sobey's recipe card that I collected when I was there back time ago. Well, this takes yams and chili powder. And what if you have guests and family that just they're not into chili and powder or yams, like that kind of thing? So I'm making this for them as a challenge for Thanksgiving. So there's what the recipe originally was: sweet and spiced spuds. This recipe, I'm going to call it, no kidding, no yams. Another fast method, I'm going to toast 1/3 cup of chopped pecans or pecans for this recipe in my little toaster oven. If I cook them or bake them for just under 5 minutes, you don't want these to burn. It will intensify the flavor that is so adored on pecan pies. Hint, hint, wink, wink, nudge, nudge. That's a secret. This is what you want to do. I have about a small package bag of just regular potatoes. So I'm going to spin these through my wonderful little machine here. It goes so much faster. And this is my new glove. I hope you like it. It's home for the holidays. Part of making memorable meals. Okay, so I've set up my apple peeler slicer core, and I'm just going to go ahead and run these through. Watch your fingers. This blade is sharp. It's easy, fast, and fun. I'm going to reform the pieces and then half them and add them to my bowl. If you cut them in half, that actually is more preferred. There, that's the last of them. Slice them nice and thin or as thick as you want. With those cores, I'm going to add these next. I'm adding 1 cup of minced onion flakes. Now you could chop up an onion with this. Sure, go right ahead. But I'm not going to get red in my face to chop an onion. That happens. So I'm just going to add my onion flakes and 1/2 teaspoon each of smoked paprika. That's okay. That's okay. A regular 1/2 teaspoon of regular paprika. And if you wanted to really add a little heat or more chemical heat to this, of crushed red pepper flakes. So that's what I'm going to do. So that's the spicy. We're going to mix all of this very well, and then we'll add our next ingredients. There. This is what I have in the United States. I am making 1 cup of chicken broth. So I'm going to prepare it as directed. 1 teaspoon will make 1 cup using this. So I'm just waiting for the kettle to boil. And if you've liked this so far, maybe consider subscribing. Maybe even share to that friend that likes potatoes as much as I do and uses it just about every other dish. Now we need the sauce. And we're going to add with it 1/4 cup of Canadian maple syrup. And that's going to make it nice and sweet. I'm going to dissolve everything together and then pour this over our potato. Don't forget about those beautiful toasted almonds earlier. I'm going to add these also to our mix. Just like that. Okay, give it a little stir. Now we need to chop or cube some butter. We're going to add that and pour this mixture all over everything. Now if you like this video so far, maybe give it a like. Maybe even share it along to that friend that's thinking about something for Thanksgiving. Make it memorable. And don't forget, click that subscription button. That would really help a lot. Thank you. Oh boy. Thanksgiving coming up. Okay, next for the butter. If you have it. There, doesn't that look like a memory about to happen? Okay, so I've added a few more pecans upon the top, dotted it with lots of butter. When I started, I didn't show you that I pre-buttered or pre-greased this pan, so don't forget that step. This is going to need to be covered and then baked for almost an hour. Here is 1/3 cup of cornstarch mixed in, that's 1/3 cup of the water and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 1 more cup of chicken bouillon. To make the sauce now get thickened, you have to add it when it's hot. Give it a little stir, pour it over the potatoes, and put it back into the oven on a lower heat. This will make a nice sauce. Oh yeah, that's good. Because at this point are ready. Let's have a look. There it is. These can be transferred into another bowl and then put in the fridge and even frozen until Thanksgiving and defrosted when it's time to enjoy them. Let's have some right now. Sweet and spicy scalloped spuds without yams. If you like something smoky and spicy, it makes a nice side option. The pecans in it make a nice touch. Something candied almost. Yum! Sweet and spicy spuds, scalloped style. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Until next time, do take care and happy holidays. Here's an idea for your Thanksgiving. Spicy, hot potatoes. Au revoir.